Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, happy Makar Sankranti to everyone, and Riddhi also. Good afternoon. So, welcome to your class 2 science class. Yes, happy Makar Sankranti, Ashmit. So, previous day we discussed on the water and its forms, right? And one thing that one exercise part of your previous chapter, air around us, the question D and question E, I gave you homework. So, have you completed? Because today we will discuss on that, okay, because we skipped this part actually, and we have to complete it now, okay. Yes, so Ashmi completed the homework, and others, why Indrakshi you didn't read this anything at your home, right? You gave always the wrong answer. You can't understand. Yes, so Ashmit, Lisa, Riddhi, they also did it. Okay, no problem. So let's start this question D and question E, and that is air around us. Air around us. Please mute your microphone, Indrakshi. Okay, everyone, so take your copy book with you, and as you already did it as a homework, you can write it again also with me, okay. So today we will complete this exercise part of question D and question E of this chapter, air around us. And one thing that I will post a video of this water and its forms tomorrow, and that is about hail and snow. So everyone keep watch this video about hail and snow, because the next online class we will discuss on the exercise part of your next chapter, water and its forms, okay. And that's why we discussed on the water cycle, forms of water, source of water, those things as we already discussed. And the hail and snow, this part we couldn't complete the previous class, so that's why you will get offline video in the YouTube. So everyone please see the video. So you will have to see the video about this hail and snow, and after it we completed the water and its form, this chapter, okay. And now we will discuss on the exercise question D and question E. So let's start with the question D. So you have to answer me, everyone. Take your copy book, take your book. Okay, Lisa, very good. Question 1, list 3 sources of smoke. List 3 sources of smoke. So who already completed, please give me answer. That which things you already write in your copy book. Ashmi gave the answer. 3 sources of smoke are factories, moving cars and buses. Very good, Ashmi. Lisa, which things you write here? You have to write that list of 3 sources of smoke. Lisa, you write here only one. Write it in full sentence. Write it in full sentence. Very good, Riddhi. Debopriya Mondol, you also write here in, only two. Smoke, you have to write the three source of smoke. Three source of smoke. Very good, Ankita. Okay, so here the list of three sources of smoke are, I am writing here 3 to 5. Okay, you have to choose only 3. Okay, as for that is all for general. So I am writing here all. So they are coal or wood or moving cars, moving vehicles. Okay, I am writing here moving vehicles. As the cars are also vehicles and buses are also vehicles, so I am writing here moving vehicles. That cars, bikes, buses, lorry, anything. Okay, or factories. Factories. So here is your answer. Moving cars, car, bus and bike, that's also, and the factories and coal or wood also. So here the three source of water is coal or wood. You can copy this thing also. Okay, copy this answer also at your copy book. Very good, Ayush, but you have to write it in this chat box. List of three sources of smoke are coal or wood or moving vehicles. In the moving vehicles, there are also moving cars, moving buses, moving scooters, moving lorry, etc. or factories. Okay? Ashmit, which things you write here? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen? Which thing is it? Which answer is it? I can understand. So hope you all copy it. Am I erase it?
No, ma'am.
Please mute your microphone and use your chat box. Every day I told it that use your chat box and mute your microphone, but till today you don't listen to me. Very good, Lisa. So I am now erasing it. Everyone, I am now erasing it. Okay? That's question 1. Now go to question 2. What happens if we breathe impure air? Tell me. What happens if we breathe impure air? Yes, very good, Hrithi. Very good, Ashmi. Ashmit also. And others? If we breathe impure air, what happens? What happens? If we breathe impure air, what happens? Give me answer fast. Others who didn't give the answer till now. is okay, Ankita and others. So you can write this answer also according these questions, that what happens if we breathe impure air. So according the questions I am writing here the answer. So if we breathe impure air, we become sick or ill. So if we breathe impure air, we become sick or ill. You can write here we become ill also, or you write here we become sick also. Okay? So hope you all copy this answer from, in your copy book. What happens if we breathe impure air? If we breathe impure air, we become sick or ill. Okay? And the next, go to the next answer, next question, question number 3. I am now erasing it. Go to the question number 3.
No, ma'am.
That is, how can we get clean and pure air to breathe? How can we get the clean and pure air to breathe? Give me answer. Yes, very good Ashmi, very good Riddhi. We get, according the question I am writing here the answer, okay, as the same sentence with the question. We get clean and pure air to breathe. We get clean and pure air to breathe to grow more green plants around us. Okay, so here is your answer, that we get clean and pure air to breathe to grow more green plants around us. Okay, so here your answer of question 3. Hope you all copy it, and now I am erasing it and go to the question number 4. That why should we keep the doors and windows open? That's your question number 4. Give me answer. Why should we keep the doors and windows open? Yes, Lisa, also very good. Ashmi, right answer. Now go to the question number 4, and that is, we should keep the doors and windows open. The doors and windows open to let the fresh air come in. To let the fresh air come in. Okay, so here is your answer. We should keep doors and windows open to let the fresh air come in. To let the fresh air come in. Okay, everyone. So hope you all copied it in your copybook. Now go to the question number E, that is think and answer. Think and answer. Okay. So this question number E is, you have to first think about it and you have to then you have to answer me. Okay. So hope that was your homework. So hope you all thought about this and then you write down the answer. Now you have to give me the answer. Okay, so I am erasing this question number D. We completed the question D and the 4 questions of question D. Now go to the question number E, and the question is, where will you get clean air, in a city or in a forest? Only Ayushpal give the answer. Where will you get clean air? In a city or in a forest? In a, so Arpan said in a city. So Arpan, tell me that why, and who said the forest? Tell me that why, the reason. Debopriya, Hidi, Ashmit, Lisa, Ashmi, Ayushpal, tell me that why we will get the clean air in a forest? Why?
Ma'am, site please.
Indakshi and others who unmute yourself, please first of all that listen my words. Actually I asked questions, not copied is everything. Okay, so first of all you have to think about the question. I am giving here the answer and you all copied it one by one, but don't give any answer. Don't give any question of answer of me. Is it good? And Indrakshi, you didn't give the answer of anything, of any question. You always tell me to cite please, or you have to copy it. Why? You didn't know about any answer. You didn't read anything. Very good, Ashmit, Riddhi, Ayush, Pal, and Debopriya Mondol, Ashmi. Very good. Because the forest have many trees, and you know that where is the many trees, their air should be clean and fresh and pure also. So that's why we get the clean, fresh, pure air in the forest. In a forest. So forest is the correct answer. And Arpan, why you tell me that in a city we will get the fresh air? In a city there are a lot of buildings, lot of house, lot of vehicles, lot of smoke. So there not be so pure air. As the forest there are a lot of trees, and you know the trees make our air clean, right? Trees make our air clean. So that's why as there are many there are forests, there are many trees, forests have many trees, so there must be the air is clean, fresh and pure. Hope you understand, Arpan. So we completed question D and question E, right? Here the answer also, question D and question E we completed. So have you any questions from it? Have you any questions from it? Question D and question E of this chapter? and I hope you all read this air around us, this chapter very attentively. And this D and E we skipped, we forgot about it, and today we completed. Okay, very good everyone. Now I am erasing it. So one thing, that's water and its forms, which we already started. Listen very attentively. Water and its forms, this chapter we already started, and we discussed the water cycle, forms of water, everything. And the hail on snow, these things also is not completed the previously, but you will see the video tomorrow in the YouTube that about hail and snow. Okay, so that's all for today, as your time is also over. And who are present in the class, please write here P, because you know I have to take your attendance. So that's all, and have a nice day.